60 days ago, I told myself that I'd go on a journey and take a brand new Shopify dropshipping store from $0 to $100,000 in sales with no money. Yes, $0 in ad spend. Now, you may wonder, is this even possible? Well, ladies and gents, I'm here to tell you that it absolutely is, because here we are 60 days later, and that's exactly what I did.
Nice.
Now, if you were to ask me to do something like this, or ask me if this is even possible about 2 or 3 years ago, I'd probably say that you're delusional and that you have a 99% chance of failing. Obviously, that is not the case anymore, and in this video, I want to share on how I was able to attain this and how you can as well. I genuinely want you guys to understand that you are no different than I am, okay? And by implementing the right steps and by watching this entire video, you'll be on your way to do exactly the same, if not even generate more in sales. I ain't capping, fam, trust me on that. So to start this process, essentially, you need to find a product that's already working on TikTok, order that product from Amazon or eBay, preferably to your house, make a bunch of videos for that product with none other than your cell phone, post them on TikTok in hopes of one or multiple videos to go viral, and as a result, your Shopify store getting a bunch, I mean loads of free traffic and free sales. So now that y'all got the gist of that, let me explain on how I was able to generate a little over $100,000 in sales in just 60 days. So one splendid evening, I was doing my daily product research and validation, and I came about this very interesting product with the burner method. If you guys want to know what the burner method is, I always preach this specific strategy. Click on the video over here in the top right after you guys are done watching this video, where I explain step by step on how to utilize this burner method and how to find potential winning products to test that have a very high success rate. So upon validating this product, I knew that I had to run it up, and part of the reason I was so confident is because I actually saw this product do really well for the past 2 years on Facebook, matter of fact. A lot of products are actually resurfacing on TikTok through not only ads but through organic as well. So that's why the more you are in this game, the more you are exposed to the market, eventually you'll develop something called the Dropshipping Eye. Now during that time, which were the prime 2 months of Q4, November and December, there was only one more person running this product up, which is definitely a good sign. Essentially, you want anywhere between 1 to 5 competitors for a specific product. That means the product is still naive in the market and there's a lot of market share still available for that specific product. Anyway, so I knew that this product was going to generate me at least 6 figures in sales, okay? And this product is what I like to call at least the tracer racer. Now you may or may not have seen this product before. I'll pop up an AliExpress listing somewhere on the screen, but this makes an absolute amazing toy for kids during the holiday season. Technically, it is an evergreen product. Toys are something that adults buy for kids, for little ones, all year around. But as you may or may not know, the holidays are when toys absolutely blow up, right, for Christmas. So how this product works is that there's a bunch of variants, right? There's a bunch of little toy robots, and once you actually go ahead and draw this line, the robot will go ahead and follow that. This essentially gives kids a great opportunity to be creative, to learn different motor and cognitive skills as well. So again, I knew that this product was going to work very well on TikTok, especially because the potential audience on TikTok has been expanding over the past year very rapidly. And what I mean by that is, there's more adults, there's more matured audiences actually coming onto the platform. Audiences who actually have more disposable income to spend online, to spend on actual products. All right, so really quickly, let me just go ahead and show y'all the product page, okay? My structure of the product page. Now, this was on the Duhigg theme with, some customizations with my web guy, with my web developer, but essentially it's a very simple product page. So like I said, there are different variants, and again, I have named it the Trace Racer, pricing it at $34.95. That is the cheapest variant, okay? So we have the blue robot, the tank, the penguin, the fire truck, the excavator, dinosaur, and also the 6-pack, which people get an extra 50% off for. So believe it or not, but more than 70 people were actually opting in for this specific variant, where they actually get all 6 of them for $160. I even had some people buy 2 of these packages, 3 of these packages. You can see that those are worth $287, $407, so on and so forth. So the AOV was definitely there for something something like this, right? It really ranged from mid-ticket to high-ticket depending on the variant or the packages customers are buying. As we go down, we have a nice description. Well, we also have some shipping details and some returns. That's very important to have right on the top usually. Some GIFs. Again, I'm not gonna really break down the description too much over here. That would be a complete different video. But again, I just want to be transparent and show y'all on how I went about things, right? Congruency is very important. Spacing, spelling, grammar, just making the description look as pretty as possible, okay? I usually like to follow the AIDA framework: attention, interest, desire, and want. Think of it like an upside down triangle almost. And then we have some scarcity and some reviews at the bottom. Oh, and not to mention, this definitely helps for conversions. We also have a little sticky add to cart button on the bottom as well, so people don't have to scroll all the way up and actually press on this add to cart button. So if you don't know where I'm going with this, the strategy that I used was something called the TikTok organic posting method. I've talked about it on the channel multiple times in the past. People like you and I are making multiple 5, 6, and 7 figures for free, meaning with no money up front, with this specific strategy. And this is exactly what I mentioned before, right? You actually have to have the product at hand so you can record a UGC, user generated content, with your phone and post it on your TikTok account, preferably 3 to 5 times a day to maximize your chances of one or multiple videos going viral. So with me, I actually had, 3 main videos that went viral, meaning they had views in the millions range, okay? And my first viral video was actually during week 1. So let me show y'all that. So this video in specific had about 10.5 million views.
Did you know that this toy improves writing, fine motor skills, hand-eye coordination, problem-solving skills, and many more? Let me know in the comments.
This second video had about 5.6 million views, okay? And you can see that this was around the second week of November, and in one single day, guys, I did about $11,000 in sales, which is absolutely insane. And then last but not least, this was one of my biggest viral videos, 12.3 million views, with about 28 to 29 million views in total from just these 3 videos alone. So here that is.
This is the Trace Racer, the toy that follows any line you draw. So much fun.
There you guys have it. For some of them, I actually had my female friend help me out, in terms of making these videos. So yeah, almost 30 million views as y'all saw. And how the algorithm is, ladies and gents, is that a viral video can last only 2 short days, meaning the peak of its performance. It can also last about 3 to 4 weeks, okay? How TikTok works is that it doesn't show your videos in order, right? So a video that you posted 3 weeks ago can also go, viral like the month after, for example, right? That's why like week after week, pretty much, I had viral videos, especially these 3 viral videos. I obviously had, some other videos that got a few 100,000 views, in the 6-figure range and the high 5-figure range. Those obviously did help contribute to the amount of sales, but I would say about 70 to 80% of these sales amassed were from these 3 videos and alone. Also, if you don't know who I am, my name is Yash. Hello, welcome to the channel. Feel free to drop a like and subscribe to the channel, as I do post new videos every single Wednesday. So let me tell you something about me. I never leave anything off the table. I never gatekeep, right? I believe in transparency. So let's actually reveal the numbers. What I actually took home that day. These sexy Shopify dashboards and all that obviously look great, but what did I keep in my pocket, right? What did I net on this sales amount? So in total, we did $112,143.28 in revenue. Our cost of goods across the board came out to be $40,850.32. I was actually utilizing a private shipping agent that has direct access to, manufacturers and factories in China, which can give me faster shipping and really good cost of goods as well. If you're someone who's actually doing, 10 to 15 orders per day consecutively, consistently more so on your Shopify store, let me know, DM me on Instagram, and I'll be more than happy to connect you with my private agent. Next, our transaction fees came out to be about $4,345.50, with the net profit coming out to be $66,947.55. About a 60% profit margin, something that is very hard to attain with paid ads at this level. So yeah, not too shabby, eh? Now, if this video gets 1,000 likes, ladies and gents, I'll be releasing a free cheat sheet which consists of so many helpful, an abundance amount of tips, strategies, tactics, so on and so forth about this strategy that you can directly utilize for your Shopify store and your TikTok account. So get this video to 1,000 likes and I'll be releasing that. Also, if you guys do have any questions, thoughts, or concerns, drop them in the comments down below. Until the next one, your boy is out. Peace.